If we lost everything tomorrow, no audience, no income, no brand, this is the exact AI workflow we'd use to rebuild from zero. No coding, no hype, and most people watching this are skipping the one step that actually makes it work. AI didn't just make things faster, it changed who wins. In 2026, the advantage isn't knowing more tools, it's knowing how to connect them into a system. Ignore this and you'll stay stuck. Testing tools, watching tutorials, feeling busy but broke. But if you understand the workflow, you can build leverage with less time, less stress, and fewer skills. This is the official AI Hustle Club, where we break down how to actually use AI to build leverage, not just hype. If you want practical AI systems you can use even with zero technical background, subscribe. We post weekly. Now let's start from zero. Core workflow overview, setup. Before tools, before income ideas, before prompts, here's the rule most people miss. AI doesn't replace effort. It replaces inefficiency. So this workflow is built around 4 layers. Thinking layer, what AI helps you decide. Execution layer, what AI helps you produce. Distribution layer, how AI multiplies output. Leverage layer, where AI compounds results. We'll walk through all the 4 step by step. Section 1, thinking layer, using AI as a strategist. Most beginners use AI like a typing assistant. We use it like a business partner. Before we create anything, we use AI to clarify direction, reduce decision fatigue, avoid dead ideas. Real-world use case. Let's say we want to start an online income stream. Instead of asking, what business should we start? We'd ask, what problems do beginners already pay for that AI can now solve cheaper or faster? That single question reframes everything. How a beginner would use this? A beginner could ask AI, what are common pain points freelancers complain about? Which skills are being automated but still need human judgment? What niches are overwhelmed but underserved? AI gives patterns, not just ideas. How we'd personally leverage it? We'd generate 10 to 20 potential directions. Kill 80% immediately. Pressure test the top 3 using market demand, AI automation potential, personal tolerance. Can we do this weekly? One mistake people make. They ask AI for answers, not filters. They want, give me the best idea, instead of, help me eliminate bad ideas faster. Advanced insight. Most people don't realize. Clarity scales faster than creativity. AI is best used before execution, not after burnout. Section 2. Execution layer. Building without skills. Execution is where most people quit. Not because it's hard, but because it's slow and discouraging. AI compresses time. Real-world use case. If we chose content plus education as our path, like this channel, we'd use AI to outline scripts, expand ideas, rewrite for clarity, adapt tone. One idea, many assets. How beginners would use it. Beginners don't need perfect prompts. They need constraints. Explain this like I'm new. Make this more practical. Remove buzzwords. Add a real example. That's it. How we'd personally leverage it? We'd batch 10 scripts at once, then refine only the top 3. AI handles structure, flow, repetition removal. We humans handle judgment, positioning, final direction. One mistake people make. They try to make AI sound smart. That kills retention. Simple language wins. underrated insight: AI isn't here to make content impressive. It's here to make it clear enough to act on. Section 3. Distribution layer. Turning one idea into many. Here's where leverage actually starts. Distribution used to require teams, editors, platforms. Now it requires systems. Real-world example: one long-form video can become 5 shorts, 3 tweets, 1 email, 1 blog post, all from the same core idea. Beginner use case: beginners can paste a script into AI, ask, extract 5 punchy short-form hooks, repurpose without burnout. How we'd personally leverage it? We'd design content backwards. Start with shorts hooks, build long-form around retention moments, not the other way around. Mistake people make: posting everywhere without adapting format. Same content isn't equal to same consumption behavior. Advanced insight: the algorithm favors consistency of signal, not volume. AI helps maintain signal without mental fatigue. Quick question: which part of this workflow would help you most right now? Comment. Thinking, execution, distribution, or all of it? We read every comment. Section 4. Leverage layer, where AI actually makes money. This is the part nobody explains properly. Leverage means results without proportional effort. AI creates leverage when it reduces repetition, removes bottlenecks, scales decisions. Real-world example: instead of selling hours, we'd build templates, frameworks, playbooks. AI helps to create once and sell many times. Beginner use case: beginners can turn knowledge into checklists, guides, scripts. No audience needed at first, just usefulness. How we'd personally use it? We'd build one core asset, then let AI adapt it for different niches, different levels, different formats. Mistake people make: they chase monetization too early. Leverage comes after clarity. Future trend insight: by 2027, the winners won't be AI experts. They'll be system designers who know where humans still matter. Why this matters now? Here's the warning most people ignore: AI won't eliminate beginners. It will eliminate undirected effort. If you don't design your workflow intentionally, you'll feel busy and still stuck. But if you build systems now, you compound faster than skill ever could. Let's simplify everything into one execution framework. Use AI to clarify direction. Use AI to execute faster. Use AI to distribute smarter. Use AI to create leverage assets. Don't master tools, master flows. If this helped you think differently about AI, subscribe to the official AI Hustle Club. Drop a comment with workflow if you want a future video breaking this into a step-by-step beginner system. And in the next video, we'll show how to turn this exact workflow into an actual income stream without burning out.